Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Rebecca. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like and comment. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Now to the video. Welcome back, everybody. Today we are doing my nails. I just removed my last set using the Jello Jello Peel Base. Literally took me less than 5 minutes to pull all 10 off. And you can see they came off in one sheet. I used gel polish my last mani. I'm going to do gel one more time because I don't have time today to do dip. But these ones came off very easily. They had a little bit of lifting on the thumbs. And I think it's because I was using cleaners and without gloves. So we're going to try it again today and see if we can go longer than 6 days. I don't have any major cleaner jobs coming up, so should be able to get a better gauge as to how long they last. I do have a little bit of residue from the stuff on the peel base, but I didn't file it or buff it flush, so it's smooth. So what you're supposed to do is put a coat down. I put it along the whole nail except for the cuticle area to give the polish dip powder a spot to actually cling onto the nail. And then you cure them for 60 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and get the dip on, or the peel base on. I think this time I'm going to do 2 coats of it and see if that makes any difference as well. I only put in 1 thick coat last time, if I remember right. And that should do it for this hand's first coat. Let me stick that in the lamp. Okay, so I have my color on. You can use these little micro swabs with a little acetone or alcohol to go around the sides to keep it as clean as possible. I really can't paint this hand on camera. And even that, I still make a mess. All right, so now we're ready for our top coat. I'm gonna do 2 coats of this, and then that will complete this. This top coat is so forgiving, and I never have issues with it peeling. I do make sure I cap all my edges. I like to do all my edges with the first nail's coats access, so it doesn't get really messy that way. And now we go on to the other 4 nails. And it smooths out anything that's over the top, you know, lumpy. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and finish up the left hand off camera and finish off the second coat of these, so they'll both coats will be done off camera, and then we'll see the finished product. So I will see you guys in a few minutes.